trash truck proceeds to like almost ram into the front of my car trying to prove a point, and I'm like, bitch.
I said, baby, I'm a dog.
It's 6:25 in the morning. We're trying to do a little bit of Uber before we gotta take her mom to the grocery store at 9. So we tired. We'll be together.
This is editing Takia. That's him trying to butter me up because I did not want to go out at 5 a.m. in the morning.
First order is Taco Bell. I think it's like 25 minutes, but it's $18, $20. So it's pretty good. We're only gonna do this for but 6:25, 7:25, 8:25, for 2 hours. I'm trying to get, maybe $30, $40, $20 an hour. You're trying to get $40 in 2 hours. So we'll see how we go. I'm gonna let her drive till 8, and I'm gonna drive 8 to 9 so she can have a little break. But we're gonna see. It's our first time. Well, this is our first time going out this morning. I haven't been out. Normally I go at 7 to 9. And she got some coffee, but she ain't drinking yet. So when she get her drinking, it's frozen. Oh my God, her coffee frozen. It's still groggy. But as soon as I took on Uber, it said $20 ride, so we had to go ahead and take that. Alright, it's too early for y'all to be on that scooter.
Not on the street.
At the middle of the street.
Okay, guys. I hope y'all can hear me. Welcome back. It is a bit grainy. It is currently 9:46, and I know y'all saw me early. I was not having it. It was too early for me, but we did 5 to 9ish, 10, and then I had to take my mom to the grocery store and do stuff for her, like a rent and stuff. And then we took a longer nap than we should, and then I had to go clean my closet out at my auntie house because I don't know, she wanted to go through, she wanted me to go through my stuff for the winter time and stuff like that. But we're back at it. We're gonna do 9 to 3. We got our first order from DoorDash from McDonald's, so I'll add everything up at the end like I do all the time for our loyal followers who watch all the way to the end. So yeah, I'm just waiting for him to come out now. I just feel like I haven't really slept and I'm tired. And excuse my wonky sweater. I don't know why it looks like that. Oh, maybe that's a bit better. But yeah, I don't have nothing else to say. I just know that I'm tired. Okay, we're on order number, I don't even know. Let me lock my door. We on order, I don't even know. I hope y'all can hear me. I will just turn it up. But I'm really upset right now because basically, like in DC, sometimes the streets be real small, and we over here by like Columbia Heights area. And it like basically you can go, it can be either or traffic, but it's small. And so this trash truck would just sit in the middle of the road, and and sometimes when you just turn into an area, you don't know what's going on. So I just see this car sitting in front of me, so maybe I should have had just waited for the car. I can give it that, but I'm thinking it's just sitting there. So as I'm moving, it's getting closer, so I'm just confused because I'm like, now you're closing in the space for me to get around, you. So now it's just me and him sitting next to each other, and I'm in front of the trash truck. Why the trash truck proceeds to almost ram into the front of my car trying to prove a point, and I'm like, bitch, I got you stressing me out. I end up going forward. I didn't hit the truck, but why she having nerves about something? What did I say? I said, bitch, I'm gonna get your number and get you reported. Cause why are you trying to bully me and you a big ass trash truck? Don't you want the clock? Trying to threaten somebody? Aren't you on the clock? That shit pissed me off. I'm sorry. I had to vent.